Good morning, boys and girls, and happy Friday. I hope you guys are having a great day. Today I'm going to read Colorful Leaves because we've been talking about trees. But before I read that, I just wanted to remind you that you guys had some homework for today. So you have a white paper bag with this paper in it and a bunch of different colored leaves. And you're going to take your leaves and match them to what column they go in. You'll put the green leaves in this column, the orange leaves in the middle column, and the red leaves over on this column under the red, and then count them and see how many leaves you have of each color. Then have a mom or a dad or a grandma or a grandpa or an older brother or sister help you write how many that is. And then if you want to, you can count how many leaves you have all together. You also have this really fun nature walk scavenger hunt. So that means take a walk at a park or around your house. Make sure you have a grown-up with you and look for all of these things and see what you can find. And when you find them, you can circle them or you can just talk about them. This is just for you to have fun with, to see if you can look for these things in nature. All right, let's read Colorful Leaves. Can you guess which of these pictures shows a leaf? All of them. There are all different shapes of leaves. A leaf is part of a plant. Trees are plants. Different kind of trees have different leaves. An oak tree, like this big one here, has over 1 million leaves. That's a lot of leaves. Here's some different kinds of shapes of leaves. A ginkgo, a sweet gum, a linden, a poplar, a holly, a sassafras. They're all different shapes. They're all leaves, but they're different shapes. Some are like a star or a heart. I always think this sassafras one looks kind of like a T-Rex footprint. I like that one. I think it's pretty cool. What do leaves do? Leaves have an important job. They make food for the tree. Trees need this food to grow. Leaves can also be food for plants. And remember how we talked about at school that trees make oxygen, and we need oxygen to breathe. So we really need trees. They're very important. When leaves use sunlight to turn water and air into food, it's called photosynthesis. Can you say that big word? Photosynthesis. That's a big word. Leaves use energy from the sun to turn water and air into food. Tiny holes in the leaves let the air in that they need to make the food. So that's the job of the leaves. They use the sun and the air and make food for the trees. Leaves get the water they need from the soil, and that's the dirt that they're planted in. Rain falls on the ground, and the tree's roots soak up the water. See the picture of the roots? Do you remember how we talked about roots? Remember how we did our hands like this and made roots going underground, and then we made the noise that goes like they're sucking up the water? That's what roots do. A leaf's life. Summer days are long and bright. There is plenty of sunlight to help the leaves make food, and that's when they're green in the summer. This tree looks different, doesn't it? It's almost fall in this picture, just like it is here, almost fall or autumn. When fall comes, the weather changes. The leaves change too. They turn red, yellow, and orange. Then they start to fall from the tree. So this shows a tree in fall, which is what we're going to start seeing pretty soon because it's almost fall. So start looking for some leaves with these different colors. You'll see yellow and red and orange. Sometimes I've even seen purple leaves. Oh, this is winter, when there's no leaves. Winter is here. It is time for the tree to rest. The tree does not need much food now, so it doesn't miss its leaves. So remember, the leaves' job is to make food, but in the winter, the tree is sleeping, so it doesn't need as much food. When spring comes, the tree will need more food so it can grow. How will it get this food? It will grow lots and lots of new green leaves to make the food. So this is spring. After winter, when it starts getting warm again, you'll see lots of little buds starting to pop out on the trees, maybe even like a pink or purple color. All right, boys and girls, I hope you have a great weekend, and I hope you liked colorful leaves. Look for some colorful leaves this weekend and see if you can see any. And also have fun on your nature walk, finding all of these fun things from nature. And I can't wait to see you back on Monday. Bye-bye.